Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Today I'm sharing this very simple roti recipe with just flour, salt, some oil and water. This makes perfect rotis to go with your curries or stews. Into this bowl, add 4 cups whole wheat flour, or popularly known as atta, a half a tablespoon salt, a tablespoon of oil. I'm only going to add about a half for now. A cup water, just start with a half of it. With a spatula, start bringing this together to make a soft dough. Empty this onto a working mat. Then start bringing this together. Actually might need some more water here, so just add as needed. So pull, press. You want to keep kneading until all the water is absorbed. Now to finish this dough, add the rest of the oil. Oil here is actually optional. You can skip, but it makes the rotis more softer and with a good texture. You can add a kitchen towel. This dough is all rested. It's ready on to the next stage. Cut into several pieces. I will readjust the bigger ones to make them into equal size, probably golf size balls. Now move these balls onto a sheet pan. Put the plastic cover back. Give them about 5 minutes. These roti balls are all rested. Dust the mat with a very thin amount of flour. I'm using regular flour here. You can opt to use the same flour that you use, but for me it gives a slightly rough texture. So just spread it with your hands just to make a rough round, and then using a rolling pin, just get in here. I'm looking to do just about 8 to 10 inch round. Rotis are mainstay of Indian cuisine, which is very popular in East Africa and especially Kenya, due to a huge Indian community which is a part of the Kenyan tribe. So that looks good to me. Just set it aside and I'll continue rolling. I always enjoy making these types of bread. They are very delicious, they are very tasty, and perfect for curries. Check out on my channel on how to do curries that go very well with this bread. In the meanwhile, I have a pan that's already preheating. I'm using stainless steel. If you have a tawa or a karai, it's perfect for making chapatis. But as I've always say, you can use anything to make your chapatis. Don't get intimidated by having to have a karai or any specialty. Now onto the stove and start making these rotis. Now onto this hot pan, add our first roti. After about 30 seconds or so, it should start bubbling. Give it a flip. Then using this rubber spatula, just nudge it to help it puff. Just a slight brush with oil. This again is optional. Just a slight, almost a half a teaspoon or even less. Once this is done, it's gonna go on a plate lined with a paper towel and kitchen towel. Keep them warm, ready to enjoy. Once you're satisfied it's cooked through, off it comes. Same process, drop the second one. Give it a turn. Give it a gentle press to encourage the puffing again. Just a touch oil with a brush, or you can add direct onto the pan. But for this recipe we are looking to minimize the amount of oil that we are using. Our second roti is all done here. I'll continue and finish the rest. So friends, there you have it, our super delicious, simple and easy to make flour, salt, some oil and water, and you got these delicious, super soft rotis that you can make on any day of the week. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you can give this recipe a try. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.